Good morning, everyone. So today I have a little haul from HSN, and I didn't realize I've had these things for a couple days. The box came in, and I just didn't open it. I knew it was from HSN. I just didn't have time to open it. So yeah, I should have gotten to this a little few days ago. But any links down in the description box are affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. But I think I picked these things up either when Crafts Companion had the free shipping or there was something else going on. Might have been the clearance free shipping. I don't know. But, you know, they ship whenever they feel like. Even right now, there are a few auto ships I have coming. The Diamond Press auto ship for the Marquee. The Spectrum Noir Tri-Blends. And the Crafts Companion Textured Corners. And they're all packaging. You know what I'm saying? They've been doing that for like the last week. So I don't know what's going on with that. But we all know there's issues there with those kind of things. So not a big deal, but just gotta wait. Which reminds me, I need to do my tutorial on my other Diamond Press auto ship. But I did pick this one up. I think this one was on... No, maybe it wasn't even on sale. I think I might use a coupon on this guy because I remember just liking it. This is the Anna Griffin Bountiful Birthday Card Making Kit. Gorgeous box, of course. I love when she ships these and, like, not ships them, but houses them in these nice boxes. Let me see here. And I do have her big card making box, and I've reviewed it and I love it. It's gorgeous, and maybe these things will end up in there and I'll use this box for something else. I don't know, but because it's very similar. But this one was more like a fall feel, even though it has all the different things that still go back to just birthday stuff. Look at these pink bows. Oh, so pretty. And then the little accent pieces, and again, these just look a little more fall related to me, or just like warmer, I guess. And then, oh, it comes with the dimensional adhesive, of course, our gorgeous card bases. Sorry, I just figured I should sit down. I was standing up for some reason. Okay, the cream the cream envelopes, gorgeous, 5x7, of course. I don't think I'll do a whole review of this one because it's very similar to her other boxes that I've reviewed in the past. So I'll just show you some of these card bases, which always have the handmade by on the back, and all this prettiness. Look at that one. So not really fall. I don't know. Something about it just reminded me of fall. But these colors are very springy, some of them. I guess it's great for all year. Look at that one. So pretty. I have been asked a few different questions. If, oh, I love this. I love this so much. If she, if Anna Griffin has previews of what the auto ship is going to be for the China Cabinet auto ship finishing school. So what was weird is that she didn't show it this time. And I know a lot of times I say, oh, go back and look at the, oh, look at this one. Go back and look at the original demo. They didn't show the upcoming boxes. I guess they figured we just think they're going to be awesome. They did show like a couple of cards that were from it, but I don't even remember what that looked like right now. And she wanted to know if they're going to all be square because she has enough square cards kind of thing. So I'm sorry, I don't know the answer to that. Other people are asking if Diamond Press is going to be on March 2nd on HSN, which of course they are. And they do have items. They wanted to know if the same items that I showed for their site are going to be on HSN. I do not know that. I don't think so. I have, let me see, 3, 4, like 6 or 7 items for the March show, which I just realized is coming up faster than you think because it's a short month, right? They're not the same items, but that doesn't mean they're not going to have the other. I don't think so, though. So, but I did get that question because people do like flex pay, things like that. So even on Diamond Press, you get your 20% off, but with my VCDP code. But on HSN, you get your flex pay, and you know, sometimes they have sales. So I don't know, though, guys. Sorry. I guess I could ask and find that out, but I haven't asked that yet. And then it comes with these gorgeous bands. And these are really cool because they make a quick card really fast because it takes up pretty much the whole card front, right? And then you can add a couple more layers or however. I just want to see these ones in the back. Oh, so pretty. The ones with the little ribbon. I could be wrong, but I might already have this. I feel like, well, maybe it's from the box. It looks very familiar to the big box, the big birthday box. And then a bunch of little like things that you can add on top to double it up, or seals, or however you want to use them. So pretty. I hope you guys are doing well out in Texas. Thank you guys. So many of you guys are concerned with my package that didn't make it. I'm just going to be over that. I'm not going to think about it anymore because what's the point? I feel bad, and you know, Spellbinders is kind enough to replace it, so I'm not gonna dwell on that anymore. But yeah, so hold on one second. Okay, this box was a big box and it had quite a few things in it. Oh, okay. I was like, what is this big box? Okay, well, we'll just open this and then we'll get to that stuff. Oh, okay, I think these were on clearance, I want to say, or something. I don't even know. I shouldn't make guesses because I remember thinking, oh, I never got those, so I picked them up now. This is the Back to Nature background stencil. I think it's called Stencil and Stamps, or Stamps and Stencil set, or it might just be stencils. Well, it does have stamps in there, but I don't remember what the name of. Like I said, I'll have the links, but oh, I love this card. That's so cute. I never think to do things like this, and I always want to. Maybe that's what I'll try for like Freeform Friday. You know, one of these things where it has like layers, but it's just the same kind of thing going on. Background stencil. This is Make-A-Wish. So cute. This one is Write Your Own Story. I really like this one because the little alphabet is so cute and tiny. Well, at least it looks tiny, I don't know. The splatters. And then this one is Happiness Blooms. Again, it has the stamps and the stencils. I love this Moroccan stencil look. I have several of them. So this one, I was like, what is this box? It was the, I think it was the Today Special the other day. I don't want to destroy this. Let me see if I can just open it real quick, because I'm sure you guys want to see the crafty things, but this is what's here. I love this. If I knew it was presented like this, I would have sent one to my mommy. Oh my gosh. And I did the auto ship. This is huge and smells so good. So they had different ones. I picked the Cora's, obviously Pure Greek Olive, in Wild Orchid. So they all had the same base, but then Wild Orchid. There's a scent I picked up. Oh, it smells like almost like baby stuff, to be honest. And this is the Concentrated Radiant Firming and Smoothing Face and Body Elixir. I don't normally do stuff like this. I just like hand creams and lotions, but I'll probably use it because it's here and I like Cora's, so I trust them. Oh, the shower gel. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. What I'm smelling is really coming through the lotion. All right, and then what do we have here? Oh, I have a love-hate relationship with these kind of opening things. Have you guys gotten things delivered in this? I'm sure you have. It has like chopped up newspaper bits or something, or like fluff inside. So when it opens up, sometimes I'll open it from the side here. I'm like, oh, I'll just reuse this package. That stuff just, no. So be careful when you open them. It gives me, oh, and it has another package inside? Okay. Anyway, I have allergies as it is, and that's really bothersome, the stuff that comes out of those things. Oh, awesome. Okay, so this is the Gemini Foil Press. These were on clearance, which probably means they are on clearance. They don't usually pop it back from clearance, right? But Let the Party Begin. I love the little balloons on this one. Look how cute. And then, does it cut that one? It looks like it does, but maybe not. Maybe it just makes the, nah, it doesn't cut. Really cute if it did. And then it came with 4 rolls of foil, and since I've been foiling more and more, I was like, I need to get more foil. This was a great way to get it and just have it here in the States instead of trying to order from Crafter's Companion overseas there. Oh, cool. So I don't think I have a blue one because I don't really pick up colors like this. I like colors like pinks, which is in the next package. So this is, does it say the color name? Old Glory Blue. And this one's really cool. Silver Spangles. I've never seen that one. How cute. It looks like little tiny squares. And then this one is Gold Spangles, but it has like circles. And then this one is Old Glory Red. I think I might have Old Glory Red just because I like red. So let me open this one up again. I'm going to do it carefully. Oy. It's already irritating my eyes. You guys are very sensitive. Just kidding. All right. This one has With Love Always. Oh, yeah, this one was supposed to be more like Valentine related. All My Love. It's called Love Messages. And then the Love Doves, which is really pretty. I don't know if I ever use it, but that's a cute one. And then I have these guys here. A little smashed, but that's okay. No wonder they packaged it double. Keep them together. Champagne. Gorgeous color. Oh, that is so pretty because it's not gold and it's not like garish. It's just really subdued and pretty. Love that. Red Shimmer. I have pink pearlescent. Oh, that's cool. I don't have any of them that are just like a matte. I know Spellbinders does that a lot. They have black, which is really cool, but like not shiny. You know, it's just a way of putting like the foil down, I guess. But why that would look different from stamping, right? So it's more of a letterpress look than if you were just to stamp in black or whatever. So I don't have anything like this kind of basic, like not shiny, but I'm sure it's a little bit shiny. Obviously it says pearlescent, but I'm really excited to try that. And then sparkle. Oh, this one has tiny little tiny specks. So pretty. Having said that, what was I gonna say? Yeah, thank you guys so much. Yesterday I put out a couple Spellbinders videos and you guys are like, oh, is that your package? I'm like, no, I've already had those. Actually, I've been holding on to those videos for a while, and then I made the products for a while, and then yesterday I made this card in the morning, and it took me, the video was like a 40-minute video. It probably took me over an hour, just over an hour to actually cut everything and make it. Oh, having said that, of course, these are new items. They're on Spellbinders, they're at scrapbook.com, and then maybe other outlets that sell Spellbinders things. Somebody had asked, like, for newcomers if I would show when I cut things. She's like, I notice a lot of times you say, I'll cut it and I'll be right back. And I said, well, you know, yeah, I do that pretty much on most of my videos if I'm just doing a video for myself, like, you know, for the channel, just things I picked up or things I want to play with. But when it's a review video, I don't really focus on that too much because you might not have the same system as, you know, the what I'm using, and the review is more on that product, not so much how you sandwich anything, right? Because you should probably know that on your machines. If you don't, there's plenty of videos out there, plenty of my videos out there where I'll show you the sandwiches for like the Gemini or for like the Empress. On the marquee, the reason I was doing that too is because it was squeaking, and I'm like, I don't think people want to hear that. And literally, you're just putting it in a folder, so there's nothing, no tricky, nothing about it. You just put it in here and run it through, right? But I will keep that in mind. I'll try to do that more often. But like I said, with a review for a company, it's not really so much how I use another company's machine, you know what I'm saying? Other than the foil press things, when I have to kind of explain how you would cross those together. But any thin metal die will go through any thin metal die cutting machine, and vice versa. You can mix those up. You do not have to have that same company's machine to use their dies. Okay, so that's another question I get a lot. But like I said, I'll keep that in mind. There's a reason. And then too, these machines are so loud, especially my Gemini. I'm like, you know, doing a nice review video. Okay, and then grrr. It's like, you know what? I'd rather not do that. So those are kind of my reasons behind that. So if you're wondering yourself why I just say I'll cut it and come back, it's because it's not really pertinent to the review in those kind of situations. But like I said, I have tons of videos where I show exactly what I do, sandwich it, you know, put it through. So I'll try to do that more, even with the loud machines here. What else? Yeah, so Spellbinders is still having their, if you spend over 100, you get the craft kit for free, basically a $55 value. They just sell them for $38.50, but it's a really nice deal, and I know a few have gotten in on that, and I don't know if there's anything else going on. I'll try to come back later, obviously with a video doing something, which is what I want to do, but like I said yesterday, I mean, I think I actually have a lot of things put aside already, so now I can focus on more of the videos I do daily instead of making a video and then saving it for a week or two from now for a different company, you know. So I will try and do that, but it's getting really hectic. And then Matt's going to be leaving, what's today, the 21st? Okay, so in 7 days. So it's probably going to get a little bit more sporadic here for me, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for your well wishes, for Matt, for us as a family, of course, for myself. I mean, like I said, we've done before. It's just how it is. But yeah, so in case you're wondering what I'm talking about, he'll be gone for a year in Africa there. So we'll make do. We always do. But it's not the funnest thing, right? But thank you guys so much, and I'll see you back in a little bit. Hope you're all doing well and staying out of that horrible weather, things clearing up for you guys and all that. So you know what, before I completely sign off, I forgot to show these. I know not everybody's into this, but some people are. I also got these from HSN, but they came directly from the company, which was odd. So it wasn't shipped from HSN. These are nice and heavy, so it's a nice weight. The London Town polishers, I've never tried them. I think I got one in a sub box one time. I used to be sub box to like InStyle magazine, or one of these magazines that had a box. I can't remember who it was. It was a long time ago. Oh, Allure magazine. They have a really cute box. It was like $10 at the time, maybe 15. I can't remember, with shipping included. But I think I might have gotten one, but I never tried it. So it's a really pretty set. I like both of these sets. Look at this one, how fresh it is for spring coming up. And I know sometimes it's hard to tell. This is Coral Crush collection, and it comes with a Illuminating Nail Concealer. Okay. And then on this polish, it's probably hard to tell here too. It has a little shimmer. So pretty. So a lot of the different colors, very light, pretty colors. And then this one is called Holiday Luxe Collection. And this one has that gorgeous deep burgundy and then that really pretty shimmer there. A lot of times with the shimmer polishes like this, they don't look the same on your nail as they do on the bottle, but they look pretty either way. It's just not, you're not gonna get that look, is what I've noticed. But let me look at this real quickly just to show you. Yeah, it's a full-size polish. And let me see this. Let me see this. Oh, like the color I'm wearing right now is from Essie, and I Instagrammed it. Expressi. It's their fast dry polish. Dried really fast. I still don't have a top coat on it. It's keeping up okay. I wash dishes pretty much without gloves all the time. And the color's called Buns Up, and I thought that was funny. Nice flat manicure brush. I love that because when you put it... Oh, actually, this will go right over this really nicely. Maybe I'll do that later. Just to punch up this manicure. Be very cute. Okay. I love a flat manicure brush like that because it just polishes your nails much faster and much easier. Remember back in the day, those little round brushes and you're like, oh gosh. I don't go for round brushes ever anymore. All right, guys. Thanks for watching again. See you at the next one. Bye now.